Hello students, this is the video for class 12th English, and the book name is Flamingo and the fiction name is The Last Lesson. As I have already described you about it, but I am going to tell you the keywords as well as the plotting and much summary for this. So let's begin. There was a boy whose name was Friends. One day he decided to go to school, but earlier he did not complete his homework, which was based on the participles as his teacher assigned it to him. He went to school, but he was very worried about the homework, so he decided to bunk from the school today. So he just went into the jungle for spending his entire day, but due to hotness and due to uncomfortableness he decided not to spend entire day over here. He decided to go back to the school. So as he was returning to the school, he crossed his city. So in that city there was, at the square there was a bulletin board in which entire information about the war and the soldiers, those have died and missing, it is pasted over there. As he was able to see, the entire crowd was there in front of the bulletin board. As soon as he entered into the school campus, the entire school was very silent. It was very astonished moment for him because it is not happening every day. Normally voice come out from the school and the classes, but today it was total silent. As he entered into the class, so he saw his teacher M. Hamill. This is the name of the teacher, M. Hamill. This is another character of this fiction. He was very strict with his scale and he is a language teacher. He asked permission to come inside. M. Hamill gave him very politely the permission and asked him to sit down. As he sat, he noticed Friends, the name of the boy, Friends, noticed that all the elderly person of the town was sitting at the back side of the class. He was wondering that why it is happening and how these people are allowed to sit over here. As he focused on Mr. M. Hamill, the teacher, he was also wearing very good dress today, like he is going for any party or something like this. Later on, he came to know this will be the last lesson from Mr. M. Hamill because through Germany, actually on that time, it is a time of 1870 and 71, there was a war going on between France and Germany. So it was an order. Actually, France has been occupied by the Germany, right, on that time. So the capital of the Germany, Berlin, there was an act passed, and in that act it was written two cities of the France, and the name of the cities are Alsace and Lawrence. These are the names of the cities, Alsace and Lawrence. There no language teacher will be teaching for upcoming sessions. There will be new language will be taught, that will be German language. So due to that, Mr. Hamill was teaching Francisi. So it will be his last lesson in the class. Next time he will not be able to teach to them so far. So that was the last lesson. So it was very emotional moment for M. Hamill because he have to leave the class as well as the city because he's not going to teach them all. This thing came to know by the Friends. This is the name of the boy. He was very worried. He also thought that I was wrong. Entire year I did not like this language as well as teacher. So I should be very sorry for that. And just after that, as M. Hamill was teaching and taking the last lesson, he asked plenty of the questions from the students on the topic participles, and he asked two friends too, but he was unable to give the answer. Suddenly what just happened, there was a clock timing at 12 o'clock. So from the church a very big bell came to his ear, and then he stopped writing everything, and just after 12 o'clock entire soldier from Germany just occupied the entire school, and they were marching with the band. So M. Hamill just stopped his entire thing doing over there, and he wrote on the board a word, and the word name was Vive la France. Vive la France, it means कि फ्रांस जो है वो अमर रहे, right? So this is the summary of this fiction, the last lesson, and after that everyone went away from the class. Thank you.